Welcome aboard. Let's get building with BuilderBUILDER Pro. In this short walkthrough, we'll create a new project from the dashboard. To create a new project, tap the Home icon top left corner. On the New Project screen, choose a build type, for example, New Build. Then enter the project name, location, start and end dates. You can optionally pick a color to identify the project. When ready, tap New Project. Next, you can invite team members by entering their email and selecting a role. You may add multiple members depending on your subscription, or skip and invite them later. Here I'll invite my client and tap Next. Now add project phases and line items. You can add them manually or use our AI generator. Tap AI Generated to continue. Complete the AI inputs, project description, size, profit margin, and tier. Then tap Generate. The AI will process your inputs and create phases and line items tailored to your project. This may take about 30 seconds to process. Once finished, you'll see a confirmation that phases were generated. You can tweak any generated phase or line item to match your needs. When you're satisfied, tap Done to complete project creation. You'll return to the dashboard where your new project, Luma Heights, now appears. Tap it to view project details. Inside the scope of work, you can view every phase and line item. To export the data, tap the Excel icon next to the Send Approval button and select Export. The exported spreadsheet opens with all phases and line item details. Tap the file name and choose Save. The file will be saved to your device documents.